Yeah, this is for the 2016. When I play around, them say press, go and go. Them say do it like Nike, yeah? So we're out here and we are do it. Alright? It's SouFLoTV, man. Welcome to SouFLoTV, everybody. For those who have never been here before, thanks for tuning in. For those who are loyal subscribers and who tune in on the regular and leave them comment and thing, and we go back and forth with the thing, whether we agree on a topic or not, I thank you for that also. Continue to stay subscribed to the channel, yes? Because we're there and we are do it. Yeah? Alright, so I'm going to grab my paper and have my little information down. And what we come to talk about today is, first of all, people are wonder how the background change. When you look around people, see that? Me in what part of my place is called the shed. Alright? So I have one big old shed in here. And the shed, I want me keep like the bicycle and the bike and them thing there. And block up the window there. You know, Adidja Palmer, aka Vybz Kartel, aka World Boss, was convicted and sentenced to 35 years to life in prison for the murder of Clive William Davis, aka Lizard. Alright. So, immediately, seeing how unjust the system is, and you can't clearly see that too many things, too many doubts were in that trial. Him lawyer, Tavares Finson, and his lawyer team immediately filed a motion for an appeal. Alright. Vybz Kartel appeal update. So, here's where it is now. I'm going to tell you, Jamaica, I love Jamaica to death, but certain things, when me see a slow motion and I run certain way, don't run like that in a developed country. Or if you don't want to get respect from other countries around the world, you need to step up on the thing. Them say no, one monkey don't stop no show, but in Jamaica, I guess one monkey do stop the show, because here's the excuse now. One Supreme Court reporter has migrated. That means that them fly out of Jamaica, them gone live in a foreign, in our next country. And this is what has stopped the appeal process from moving forward. Sometimes I'm glad to me live in America, sometimes I'm glad to me live in England, sometimes I'm glad to me there, some other part, Germany. But when we look upon how certain things run at Jamaica, appeal process, right? One person. So I mean, if you tell me that Jamaica don't have no more persons who can do court reporting, no more persons that's trained in stenography. Well, I mean to tell me say one somebody in Jamaica could have do it, and because the one somebody fly out, court cases and paperwork are backing up. That is crazy. But world, welcome to Jamaica, and these are the things on top of many other things that certain people try to expose, and because them expose them thing there, them get in a big trouble for it. Alright, because the Jamaican politicians do not take it kindly when you start to show Jamaica in a bad light around the world. Them want Jamaica to be viewed as sunshine and beaches and sweet slow reggae music playing in the background, waterfalls and them kind of thing there. Oh, them not even want Jamaica to be known for the good ganja what Jamaica have. But ganja is what run the place, really. Anyway, so, them say one monkey don't stop no show. Like I said before, apparently one monkey stopped the show in Jamaica. What this leads me to believe, though, is that this case was or is being delayed on purpose. So according to Tavares Finson, the transcript is incomplete, and without it, the appeal process cannot begin. Tavares Finson says a small portion is still not done, but should have been ready since July of 2015. July of 2015, we're in December of 2015. So they must say since July of 2015, the transcript should have been completed. Me don't know. That sounds crazy to me because people talk to me and tell me what you know about transcripts and court cases. Because as far as I know about transcript and court cases, the stenographer is there at the trial typing out everything that's being said in shorthand typing, a special way of typing that them learn. And then them sit down and them translate it back out into proper words, where layman's terms then the average person can read word for word what took place throughout the trial. Who said what? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I saw it go. Alright? So that was supposed to be done by July of 2015. So that would have given it almost, what, 2 years? So over 2 years, they couldn't them couldn't type out the transcript for one trial. On purpose. Watch this. Vincent says he has written to the Chief Justice, Layla McCalla, and hope to have some good word from stenographer's department within the Supreme Court early in 2016. So there you have it. That is where the case is at. Vybz Kartel his team did file an appeal. The appeal was granted, and they are going to be moving forward, but things are at a standstill right now because one court reporter fly out of the country, migrated, and the records are not yet completed as far as writing it out to be read. And there's where the things stand. So the man thing is at a standstill right now, and we can only hope for the best. So it's completed early in 2016, and we can see the man free, or the trial can begin, and then we can see the man free sometime soon in 2016. Alright? That's all I have for you on that. I can't say much more because I don't know much more. I can do a whole lot of speculating, but we all can do a whole lot of speculating. What I know for a fact is a system has been set in place to be run a certain way. And it is not surprising to me that the appeal process is going to take a while because somebody migrated or something like that. It is not a surprise to me because I firmly believe that that is being done on purpose. Alright? It's SouFLoTV, man. Talk to me. I'm up out of here. Peace. We still a say what? We still a say free World Boss, yes? We still a say free Vybz Kartel. We still a say free Adidja Palmer and Must Come a Road. Alright? Peace.